I am Yasithwil. I am studying third year BBA at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, our case study topic is digital currency, means any currency that is mainly managed, stored and exchanged on digital devices like computers, smartphone, etc. Digital currency is a type of currency and has no physical form and exists only in a digital form, which includes virtual money and cryptocurrency. Digital currency is also known as digital money or cyber cash and can be used to purchase goods and services, but can also be restricted to certain online communities and guidelines. In this topic, we are going to study about the actual meaning of digital currencies in the modern world with a special example and references according to our natural life. The current study has been casual, exploratory and empirical in nature. Introduction. Digital currency is a payment method which exists only in electronic form and is not tangible and cannot be held in physical form. And while some digital currencies hold no real value expert within a certain community, while on the other hand, physical currencies like banknotes and minted coins are tangibles which can be transacted by who have their actual physical ownership. Therefore, we also see that while some digital currencies can have restricted use within certain online communities like gaming sites, gaming portals or social networks. Forms of digital currencies: virtual currency and cryptocurrency. Virtual currency is a digital currency that is used within a specific community, and as it is valid within a specific community, we can't use them to buy something from a shopping mall, etc. Cryptocurrency is a type of a digital currency, have the same real world value and is based on some mathematical algorithm where tokens get transferred over the internet through peer-to-peer networking. Therefore, we see this form of digital currencies does not rely on any regulatory agencies in the digital currencies against the same.
Third BBA. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is basically defined as a virtual or digital money which taken form of token or coin, and while same cryptocurrency have ventured into a physical world, the large majority of cryptocurrency still remained entirely intangible. The term cryptocurrency refer to a complicated cryptography which allow for the creation and processing of digital currency and the transaction across the decentralized system.
Third BBA. Some of the basic characteristics of cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency normally takes the form of tokens or coins. Cryptocurrency use advanced cryptography. Cryptocurrency are based on blockchain technology, which is the decentralized public ledger or list of a cryptocurrency transaction. Block meaning is the process of attaching new transaction records as blocks to the blockchain.
Third BBA. Major of cryptocurrency: Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Dash, Dogecoin, Bitcoin.
I am Krishnan. The next topic is advantages and disadvantages of digital currencies. As payments in digital currencies are made differently between the transacting parties without the need of any intermediaries, the transactions are usually instantaneous and low cost. The digital currency based on electronic transactions also brings the required recording, keeping the transparency aspects in its dealings. Thereafter, it is also seen that digital currencies also goes on to help organizations to reduce and eliminate risks by using them as a transport currency and as a way of settling intercompany transactions without paying exorbitant fees.